As soon as you got the credit reporting agencies hitting you with the, I don't know. As soon as you got the creditor moving too slow to respond, as soon as you flooded them enough, and now they not finna go back and get this document and prove it, this, that, because it's not worth the manpower. It's not worth. About it like this: you got an attorney that practices the same law as the district attorney.
I'm sorry, what was that?
There are people that get off, whether or not they did it.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Excellent job. Now we've given our jurors something to work with.
You know, you gotta have that gift of gab. You gotta have that strategy. You gotta have, even if all odds were against you, you have to be able to structure your language in a way where that's how you got them looking. Damn, I don't know. As soon as you got the credit reporting agencies hitting you with the, I don't know. As soon as you got the creditor moving too slow to respond, as soon as you flooded them enough, and now they not finna go back and get this document and prove it, this, that, because it's not worth the manpower. It's not worth. That's where those removals come from. Now, don't get me wrong. There's gonna be them times where it's gonna be a fight. Some creditors, they got it. We got time today.
I'm gonna keep it G real, cause you disrespecting me. You lucky on that day I was acting cool, cuz I told you I ain't got time for that, but nigga, today I got time, cuz.
There's those times where you just simply pay that psychological game. There's those times. You know, there's people that try to get off with 150,000 in debt, 200,000 in debt, or even more. You think them people not finna go fight after you haven't been paying on your $250,000 debt?
Ain't heard from you in a while, where you been?
That's 250 now. That's 250 now.
If he can't break bread, he fake. I had one more buck on my plate. It was me and bro, we was in the store, and both of us got 50-cent cakes.
You know what I'm saying? I can go in the store and buy me 2 Debbie cakes, and Polar Pop, and some. You feel me? One of them little suckers that they got at the little register. That's a whole lot. I need that.
Nah, I'm cool. I mean, I'm cool. It's
What you mean? If it ain't me that's needing it, my kid need it.
Remember what I told you, right?
yeah.
What?
It's grown man business.
It's grown man business.
What you think these companies are doing? These employers are doing? They didn't hire people. They got shareholders to answer to. They got X, Y, and Z. They book a business ain't where they want it to be just yet.
I'm cool. It's just taking me a minute, that's all. But I'm gonna straighten everything out as soon as I get that money.
Oh.
I need that. And yet, you are one of the reasons why they up in the red. And then you talking about,
oh man, I owe them like 50, 60 bands and I'm trying to get this off my credit.
boom! You think they're not finna fight for that? Yeah. You think that you're gonna be able to just easily put doubt in the equation? I don't care how much FCRA, how much Metro 2, how much FTC, CFPB that you do. At some point, them folks gonna chase it down, just like you would chase it down. So you gotta keep that in your head. And sometimes you just gotta be a psychological beast.
Harvey, didn't you graduate law school with the current U.S. attorney in New York?
In fact, I did. And I think he might even be interested in pursuing a case like this.
Wait, are you two still close?
Well, I was the best man at his wedding.
Wow.
No, you weren't. You're bluffing.
No, I think I've got some pictures of us at the ceremony. Let's see. Yeah, here we are. Must admit, I look very dashing. This is me and his mother. The woman adores me. Here we are at his bachelor party. There's no strippers. It was lame. But he can't put guys like you away for sexual harassment and then go to strip clubs now, can he?
You got to learn how to do that. There's some attorneys out here, defense attorneys, that know how to come to a settlement.
All right, what do you want?
An admission of guilt and a guarantee that you'll obtain treatment before working again. And Nancy gets reinstated with back pay.
Fine.
And a raise.
Oh, okay, all right. Are we done?
The kid should be able to grow up without the burden of tuition hanging over his head, don't you think?
Which is why you're also gonna pay Nancy an extra $250,000.
Charles.
You see what I'm saying? They know how to paint the picture so vivid, so the opposing side don't have a way, or if you know, of course, any side can figure out a way, but it's gonna take them a whole lot more time than they have to figure out a way to garnish that picture that they painted. That's your job when you take these people to dispute with the credit reporting agencies.